Today we present a loft-style bare cement house. Surrounded by beautiful shady nature of a tropical garden, the owner of the house is Kun Pram Duangkai, a famous gardener who has built his own house in Rayong. Front porch to sit and watch the garden and the atmosphere in front of the house. The house is half-story. Design that the garage is under the upper floor room. Convenience when driving into the house. This house also has a beautiful corner to watch. Please continue to watch.